let's talk protein powder. Now, I honestly cannot count how many times I'm asked about whether protein powder is a good option, a bad option. Hell, I got asked it yesterday. Let me explain what protein powder is. It is a powdered version of food. Now, let me give you a little example here. This is what my babies are on. This is NutriPrem. This is a meal replacement. Now, they have porridge in the morning, and then afterwards they'll have some of this. Then later on that day, they will have a lunchtime solid meal, and then have some of this. Then they will have a proper dinner, and then later on, before they go to bed, they will have, yep, you guessed it, some of this. This is designed to be in their diet because it is a meal replacement. It is designed to increase their calories and increase their nutrients. They are not designed, now they are older and not tiny wickle babies anymore, their bodies are not designed to live on this. It is there to supplement their diet, to increase their calories, to help them grow. Now, when it comes to your protein powder, we all have a specific amount of protein we need to consume per day. On average, it's roughly a gram per pound of body weight. So, if you weigh 150 pounds, then guess what? Your optimal protein, is 150 grams of protein per day. However, I'm well aware that for some people that's not possible to hit. Now, protein is very good at satiety. It's very good at making you feel full, as it takes your body longer to break it down. However, not everybody likes a high protein diet, and if you're a vegetarian, you're going to struggle with a high protein diet. So, most people, north of 80 grams or around the 80 gram mark is about right. For men, you'll probably want a little bit more. So when it comes to protein powder, you have to ask yourself this. Would you rather spend those calories on eating food, or do you want to put a protein shake in? The problem with the protein shake is you may not actually need it, and because it's pre-digested, you know, it's liquid, your body's going to use it pretty quickly, so it's not going to do anything from a satiety perspective. So if you really do struggle to hit your protein, then of course I recommend putting a protein shake. But like this is designed to supplement my baby's diet, and the majority of their diet comes from solid food and solid ingredients, stuff they can actually fucking chew, then don't have it in your diet. In a few months' time, a few weeks' time even, my babies won't be having this anymore. They might still be having a little bit of full fat milk, but to be fair, all of their nutrients, all of their calories will come from food. Protein powder works the same. Folks, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully your hands aren't too busy mixing your protein shake, and you can click down here where it says share. Share it with your friends. Hopefully they'll take something away from this video and they won't keep asking you whether protein powder is a good option for your diet. It's all down to you and your requirements. See you on the next video.